In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix quick access menu missing in Windows 11. This is going to be a straightforward process for you to solve the quick access menu missing in Windows 11. Like I said, this is a quick process. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First, all you have to do is open up the search menu. Just type in File Explorer. The best result is the first one that pops up. Now open that up. And now you want to select the three dots icon that's See More. It's located at the top right. Now go ahead, click on Options. Now on this page, which is Folder Options, you want to go ahead in the Privacy area. Just check all the boxes and press Clear once done. Now go to View, scroll down to Navigation Pane section, and make sure to check all the boxes there. Now click on Apply, then OK, and that's it. This is how you fix the quick access menu missing in Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.